In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write better prompts in NotebookLM. By the end, you'll know how to set up your topic, feed NotebookLM the right material, and craft prompts that produce clear, accurate, and well-cited answers. Start by choosing a clear, specific topic. NotebookLM responds best when it knows exactly what you want to explore. Instead of something broad like education and technology, narrow it to a defined angle, for example, the effects of artificial intelligence on education and student performance. Specificity helps the model focus, reduces vague generalities, and sets you up for a more reliable synthesis. If you already have a particular grade level, subject area, or time frame in mind, make that part of your topic statement to guide the output even more. Before you ask any questions, load your strongest sources into the notebook. Upload the PDFs you trust, such as research papers or substantive articles, along with your notes or summaries, and any relevant web articles you've saved. This step is essential because NotebookLM grounds its answers in what you provide. Favor recent, credible, and diverse sources, and if possible, include at least one overview piece plus a few deeper studies so you get both breadth and depth. Clean, legible documents with clear headings will make it easier for the model to locate and cite the right sections. When you start prompting, use a structured request that tells the model exactly what to do and where to look. A strong example is, summarize how AI affects student performance based on my sources. The key is to name the action and the scope. Lead with a verb like summarize, compare, or explain, and point the model back to your uploaded materials by saying, based on my sources. You can also specify an audience or level of detail so the tone matches your needs, such as a concise summary for educators or a more technical overview for researchers. To ensure accuracy, require source-based answers. Add a clear instruction like include citations for every point. This nudges NotebookLM to attribute claims and discourages it from drifting beyond your documents. If citations matter for your workflow, you can request document titles and page or section numbers so it is easy to verify. If a point is uncertain or not supported in your materials, ask the model to say so rather than speculate. When you review the output, look for a consistent chain from claim to citation. If anything feels too general, refine your prompt by restating that every assertion must be tied to a specific source and limit the response to the documents you provided.